Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we've got something massive in the AI video space, SkyReels. This is a brand new open source AI video model that's not just free, but also comes with its own powerful platform. That means you can generate AI videos right from your setup or use their platform to get even more out of it. This is huge because open source AI video models aren't common, and SkyReels is looking like a real game changer. So let's dive into the bullish case first, why this thing has serious profit potential and why you might want to pay attention. Let's dive into details. SkyReels is taking a unique approach with its AI video tech. It's trained on a massive data set of over 10 million clips, focusing on human-centric movements and emotions. That means better acting, better expressions, and more realistic scene understanding. And guess what? It's already showing some seriously impressive results in generating dynamic, lifelike AI videos. Whether you want text to video, image to video, or even full AI-generated episodic storytelling, SkyReels has it covered. Now, let's talk features. First up, we've got some of the most coherent text to video outputs we've seen. You type in a prompt and boom, you get a high-quality video with proper scene structure, camera movement, and natural-looking characters. Then there's image to video, which allows you to take a still image and turn it into a full motion clip. This is one of the most in-demand AI tools right now, and SkyReels is delivering solid results. Another standout feature is the AI drama tool. This is crazy. It lets you generate full episodic AI stories, complete with consistent characters, camera angles, and a script structure. It's like having an AI-powered TV studio at your fingertips. You can even refine scenes, adjust expressions, and get a level of control that most AI video models don't offer yet. Now, on the performance side, SkyReels is optimized for high-end GPUs like the RTX 4090, but even if you don't have a beastly setup, their platform lets you generate videos in the cloud. Pricing-wise, the open source model is free, but the platform has a credit-based system. You get a couple of free generations just to try it out, and their plans are pretty competitive compared to other AI video tools. All right, let's keep it fair and talk about some pros and cons. On the pro side, SkyReels delivers some of the most human-like AI video we've seen. The open source option is a massive win for the community. And the platform side adds a ton of extra value with tools like a built-in image generator and video editor. Plus, the AI drama feature is just next level for storytelling. On the downside, while text to video is great, it's not 100% perfect yet. Some prompts still get minor inconsistencies, and sometimes props or objects don't fully persist across frames. Also, the AI-generated voices still sound a bit robotic. This is something we hope they improve soon. But overall, SkyReels is looking incredibly strong, and it's definitely one of the most exciting AI video tools of the year. If you're into AI-generated content, filmmaking, or just want to experiment with the future of video, you should absolutely check it out. That's it for today. If you found this breakdown helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss out on more AI tool deep dives. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.